Alright, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial you're going to learn how to set up a Premiere Pro project. So let's get started. First, obviously the program you'll be using is Adobe Premiere Pro. I have it down here in my taskbar. You can also of course go to the Start, All Programs, and you should be able to find it this way by going into the Adobe folder and finding it this way as well. So just look for the Adobe Premiere Pro. Might be CS6, might say Adobe Premiere Pro CC, either one. Go ahead and open that. If you get any error messages, I get a couple, just click OK. It's trying to link it to my documents, so just ignore these. So I just click OK a couple times, it'll continue to load. Okay, and then you're going to get this welcome screen. Now this may look a little bit different if you're using Adobe Premiere CC on the laptops because it's a little bit updated version, but regardless, everything will be pretty similar. I want to go to new. Obviously you can see I have other videos that I've worked on and that I've done, so we're going to start from scratch. So you'll need to do this each and every time you do a new video project. So go to new project. And the only thing you're going to have to adjust here, and like I said, in CC it'll look a little bit different. I think these two things in Premiere Pro CC are at the top. But the first thing you're going to do, let's give it a name. So I'm going to call this, and be very specific, put your name on here. And you could put, if this is for an assignment, you could put assignment 3. If it's, if you want to give it a specific name, like it's for a video, introduction, I could give it. So be very specific. Put your name on it, first and last name. If you're working with a group of people, yeah, you could put their names in there too, but make sure you put a description of the video in some way. The location, this is very important. This is where your video project is going to be saved to. So it's very important not just to click OK. I want to check this, so I'm going to click on Browse. And now this is a little bit different. I'm using my laptop, and I store projects directly on the hard drive that's on my laptop, my personal laptop. For you, you'll be on a computer that you'll be using a separate hard drive. If you're on a desktop, you want to find the F drive. So you'd go over to Computer, and over here you'll see one here that says F drive. Now you should have already made a folder on the F drive with your name on it, and then a folder inside of that one that has, assignment 3, video intro, whatever the name of that. So you want to have folders per project. So keep yourself very organized. So for instance, I don't have an extra hard drive. Now if you have an external hard drive, that should show up here too. Some of my kids will use external hard drives. So you would choose that location. So I'm going to go to the C drive. Again, you will not, I repeat, not go to the C drive. So, and I have a folder here. So here's my name, and then I'd make a new folder here, and it would say assignment number 3. And so I would choose that assignment 3 folder. So you can see right now, mine says C, Wiltz, assignment number 3. Yours should say either passport or F drive, your name, and assignment 3, whatever basically name that you give it. So let's match that so that this one says assignment number 3. At this point I click OK. On this window here, I'm going to click cancel. Okay, so do not click OK. It's not a big deal if you do click OK, but just the method that I teach is to click cancel here, there, and then now we're to the Adobe Premiere Pro user interface. The basics of this interface and how to edit and how to set up a timeline or your sequence will be covered in another video. So at this point you are done. At the top, it's very easy for the instructor, myself, to check to see where this video resides. If you look up at the top, it says this project is at the C drive, Wiltz, assignment 3, and then the name of my project, which is assignment 3. So And then inside of this folder, so to check that, all I would have to do is I would go to the computer, go to the C drive, go to Wilts. Again, yours will not be in the C drive. Put it in the F drive or on one of the Passport hard drives if you're using one of those. And so then I'm going to go to, so I'm in Wilts and I'm looking for assignment 3. There it is. And so there you go. There you can see the folder, the projects, excuse me, that it made. This folder it also made. Leave that there. Don't delete anything in here. Now, what should go in here? Well, all your music, any video, any graphics, anything you're doing for assignment 3 should go into this folder right now. So you can do that. You could have done that before. You can do that now, but you'll always add everything for assignment 3 into this folder. And so at this point, that is how you create a new project.